Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to log in to eFootball 2026 mobile via KONAMI ID. So here follow the steps. First launch the eFootball 2026 mobile app. Then click on three horizontal line located at the bottom right corner. So tap on it. Then click on data transfer option. Now here you will see two options: transfer data link to Google Play account, and second option transfer data link to KONAMI ID account. So tap on the second option, transfer data link to KONAMI ID account. It will take you to the KONAMI website. So here you can click on user who registered their email address with another KONAMI app or users with a KONAMI ID. So tap on it. Now here you have to enter your email address and password, and after entering your email ID and password, tap on login. Now you can see that two-step verification. Please enter confirmation code 6 digits which is sent to your registered email address. So open your email ID and look for the 6-digit confirmation code. After entering the 6-digit confirmation code, tap on next. Since I have not played the game in past, so you can see that cannot transfer data, but if you have played the eFootball game earlier, then it will transfer your data, and by this way you can log in with KONAMI ID to eFootball 2026 mobile app. So that's all for this video.